Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a voiceover and I'm gonna show you the best way, in my opinion, to apply press-on nails. They always last at least a week. Usually I can squeeze like 2 weeks out of them, but trust me, it's all in this like prep technique. So let's just get right into it. So once you've picked out your nails that you want to put on, you gotta go through and pick the right size for each nail. In this process, you kind of just see me going through my nails and picking which one fits the best. If you're not sure, pick the smaller one. Like if you're not sure between two, pick the smaller one. They have numbers on them to tell you like their sizes. You could also pick one that's slightly too big and just file down the sides, but I personally don't have time for that, so I don't do that. I just go with the smaller one. You can see I have them laid out neatly, so they're all ready to go. The thumbs are the ones most in the center, and then it goes from each finger outwards on each side. Okay, now that that's done, next we gotta prep the false nail and your actual nail. So with the false nail, we're gonna go in with the file and file the inside of each nail to make the surface not so shiny and smooth. Give the glue something to attach to, give your nail something to attach to, and you also want to do this to your nails. Just file them lightly, make them nice and buffed so the glue, the adhesive, it has something to bind to. You don't want a slick, shiny surface. You want something a little bit more rough to grab onto. This is the secret to making your press-ons stay, especially this next step with the glue. So the glue, you want to put that on both the natural nail and the back of the press-on. This is what gives it the extra staying power. So then you want to line up the press-on carefully, making sure that it's straight, that it's going the way your finger goes, and you want to gently push it back towards your cuticle as you apply it. Actually, this is probably gonna be cute. I'm just not used to square. I honestly like to use the nail itself, the false nail, to push back my cuticles. I feel like it works pretty well. Some nail kits will include a wooden stick for you to push back your cuticles with, and this one just didn't come with that, so I used the false nail. Once it's in place, press down firmly for at least 10 seconds. I would say 10 to 30 seconds is the golden area. And don't worry if a little bit of glue comes out or is oozing out on the sides. Just be careful not to glue your fingers together. I've done this before. It hurts to try and get it off. You really have to run your fingers under warm water. Good.
Okay. Where's the spite at?
Okay, and then once all the nails are on, it is time to perfect them. So we're gonna use a nail file just to smooth out any edges, fix any crooked nails, just shape them to your liking. I was just so shocked that these were square. I think I thought I picked out coffin, but these ended up being square, and I think they're really cute. But honestly, I just wanted them to be a little bit thinner, just so my fingers looked a little skinnier. And since I went with square nails instead of almond, I really like almond nails because I think they make my fingers look a little bit thinner. I wasn't sure I'd like them, but honestly, they're so cute. I really like how these came out. And after you're done filing, wipe away any dust. You can just wash your hands or use hand sanitizer if you're in a rush. I used hand sanitizer because I honestly don't like to put too much water right after I've done my press-ons. I try to, that's why I'm showered, I'm in my pajamas and all that before I do my press-ons, so that overnight they're marinating. I don't know if this makes sense, but to get them off, you soak them in warm water, and so I don't want to do anything that's putting warm water on my nails while they're still fresh. So yeah, I just use hand sanitizer, and then we just finish up with some cuticle oil to moisturize, bring the nails back to life. Add some lotion if your hands are a little dry and crusty, you need some softness, and there you go. Gorgeous nails. You did not need to go to the salon. You didn't need to waste 2 hours of your time. So it's super easy, budget friendly. It's really giving that salon look without the cost. My main thing is the cost. I think I got these nails off Shein for $1, $2. So let me know in the comments if you guys try this method and how it's working out for you. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.